A better surface for universal access ramps. This panel surface was developed under a grant from the National Institute on Disability and Rehabilitation Research. The patented traction surface provides easy rolling. The surface will outlast the pressure-treated lumber. The same panels are ideal for access walkways as well as ramps. They can also be formed into any type of curve. What is particularly interesting is they can be used and reused for many different types of applications. In fact, the panels used for this path and ramp had been used for several years as a tent floor and as a walkway from an auxiliary parking lot. The walkway was just pulled up, disassembled, and reused. The panels were easily installed without heavy equipment. Their permeability lets water flow right through to the ground below. Therefore, there are no puddles and seldom any ice. Dirt and grit drop through, and snow doesn't stick. Custom curves can be fabricated right on site with no waste. The surface can be ready to use within minutes after installation and requires no maintenance. The ramp in this video can be seen at the Thompson Senior Center in Woodstock, Vermont. For more information, please visit www.workhorsegs.com.